Just very frustrating experience to use. So like I can use it to like make a cup of coffee in the afternoon if I need like a pick-me-up, but it makes such a big mess because like the splash thing, like the like grate isn't large enough to like cover everything that leaks, and then the milk frother isn't long enough, so it gets milk in like the like elbow, which is like a bendy arm thing, like the bendy arm elbow, so it gets milk in there, and then it's like impossible to clean. So I won't lie, I don't use it very often. It makes a huge mess and is very frustrating. I've resigned myself to the understanding that if I decide I do want to make my own espresso at home, that I'm gonna have to pay a bunch of money and get a nice one. Which is fine. It's fine. Everything's fine. Nothing is the matter. But I've got vegetables. Can you get one for your B-day from someone that may not have to put up with your uncaffeinated self daily? It's a little outside of the gift budget. You got a gift for about $500 that was manual. See, that is outside of my budget for an espresso machine. $500 is, it's very expensive. That's expensive. Hi Dexter, you're a good boy. Roughly 100 Starbucks coffees. I mean, so I don't drink espresso drinks at Starbucks. I drink cold brew at Starbucks. I guess in the wintertime I do drink espresso drinks at Starbucks, but for the most part I drink cold brew. Oh. And I do have a cold brew maker at home, which reminds me I should make some of that tonight. I should make some cold brew tonight. I just love it so much I can't live without it. Honestly, I respect that. I do, because I'm a caffeine fiend. I'm a caffeine fiend. But I feel like I've been doing a lot better